Have you ever noticed how your stomach feels when you feel uneasy and anxious? Or how stress can upset your digestion? In traditional Chinese medicine, this isn't a coincidence. Your gut and mind are deeply connected, and when one is out of balance, the other follows. In TCM, the spleen and stomach are the core of digestion, but they also influence your mental clarity and emotional stability. When your digestive energy or qi becomes weak due to stress, poor diet, or lack of rest, it can lead to symptoms like bloating, fatigue, and yes, anxiety. That's why in acupuncture, treating anxiety often starts with supporting the gut. By improving digestion and restoring balance in the spleen-stomach system, we help calm the body and mind and regulate the body's stress response naturally. Acupuncture points along the abdomen, legs, and wrist can help rebalance energy, reduce tension in the gut, and promote relaxation. When the digestive system is in harmony, your body produces steadier energy, your sleep improves, and anxiety symptoms often begin to fade. The gut is often called our second brain, and traditional Chinese medicine has understood this link for centuries. When we care for digestion, we care for the mind. It is a holistic way of healing that brings both body and emotions into balance.
FAQs with Albert. Can acupuncture really help with both digestion and anxiety?
Yes, by regulating the nervous system and digestive function, acupuncture supports both physical and emotional balance.
How many sessions do I need to notice a change?
Most patients start to feel calmer and experience better digestion within 3 to 5 sessions.
Is it safe alongside medication or therapy?
Absolutely. Acupuncture complements other treatments and can enhance overall well-being safely. At Turning Point Physiotherapy, we look at healing from every angle, mind and body working together. Through acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine principles, we help you restore calm from inside and out.